All right, guys, I did my second order for House of Hoodoo because I want to call in love, and it took only 5 days. So let me show you the video of my second order. My House of Hoodoo package is here. So I cut open. I remember I ordered 2 oils. Here are the instructions. House of Hoodoo always give you instructions, and the packaging is always safe. So let me open it up. Okay, here is my first one. I ordered Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve. And then my second one, Sugar Daddy. I remember what I ordered now. All right, guys, I'm calling in love. So here is my House of Hoodoo second order. It came 10 times faster. Maybe because I only ordered oils and not a huge candle, and they put it in my mailbox that was smaller, and I got what I wanted, and that was awesome.
Sugar Daddy Condition Oil. Haus Sugar Daddy Condition Oil. Size 1 ounce 2 ounces. Quantity 1. Our Sugar Daddy Condition Oil is used to attract a wealthy lover. Condition oil is an old hoodoo term for oils used for magic, ritual, brujeria. Condition oils are used to dress candles, anoint the body, anoint spiritual tools, altars, and as an ingredient in baths and washes. Haus Adam and Eve Condition Oil. Size 1 ounce 2 ounces. Quantity 1 plus ADD to cart. Our Adam and Eve Condition Oil is used to bring about the ideal love, the ideal mate, where the two are compatible and naturally suited for each other. The meant-to-be partnership.
All right, guys, this time the Adam and Eve, I'm going to pull it out and show you kind of how it looks. I've noticed that all the oils are like see-through translucent color. And then here it is on my skin. That's how it looks. So that is the Adam and Eve. You just heard kind of the meaning of it. And then this one is the Sugar Daddy. I think they were 22 bucks too. That's how it looks. I normally put them in my bath water, and I am taking a bath tonight instead of in the morning. So I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.